Welcome. The story of Bakheng Temple Mountain. Bakheng Temple, often referred to as Phnom Bakheng, is one of the earliest major temples constructed during the Khmer Empire and is located on a hill near Siem Reap, Cambodia. Here is a brief overview of its history. Construction era. Bakheng was built in the late 9th century, specifically around 889 AD, during the reign of King Vesterman. It served as the state temple and marked the beginning of the Khmer Empire's architectural advancements. 2. Dedicated to Shiva. The temple is dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva, reflecting the religious beliefs of the area. Its design showcases the transition from brick to sandstone as the primary material in temple construction. 3. Architectural significance. Bakheng is known for its distinctive layout, featuring a central pyramid with 5 tiers and a series of surrounding temples. The structure, which was originally a representation of Mount Mera, the center of the universe in Hindu and Buddhist cosmology, highlights the Khmer architectural style that became prominent in Sud-Sudan temple constructions. Symbol of power. As the capital of the Khmer Empire was moved from Bakheng to Angkor, the temple remained significant as a spiritual seat. It symbolized the authority and divine rule of King Vesterman. Cultural influence. The temple served as a model for later Khmer constructions, including the famous Angkor Wat and other temples throughout the Angkor region. Its design and layout influenced the architectural style that characterized the empire. 6th. Decline and rediscovery. After the decline of the Khmer Empire, Bakheng fell into disrepair as the main religious focus shifted to Buddhist practices and other cities. It was largely forgotten until rediscovered in the 19th century by French colonists. 7. Modern restoration. Restoration efforts began in the late 20th century, and Bakheng is now a popular tourist destination, especially known for panoramic sunset views under the Angkor Archaeological Park. 8. Cultural heritage. Today, Bakheng Temple is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, highlighting its cultural and historical significance as part of the Khmer Empire's rich heritage. Visitors to Bakheng can appreciate its historical importance while enjoying its stunning views and tranquil surroundings, connecting them to the ancient civilization that once flourished in the region.